Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Main Engineers. We provide you main solutions. Today I will show you how to find best DNS server for your internet connection. Download DNS benchmark tool from this link. The link is in the description. This tool is a unique, comprehensive, accurate and free Windows utility to determine the exact performance of local and remote DNS name servers. Open the downloaded tool and run it. No installation is required. Now I am going to download the tool. The tool is downloaded. Now open the tool. Click Name Servers tab to select the main benchmark display and data pages. Please wait a few moments while the list of DNS resolvers is loaded and characterized. Here are the list of the DNS servers. If you want to check for the DNS servers which is not in the list, you can add from Add Remove tab. Enter IP to add and click Add. This IP is added now. GLT. Also, you can remove a DNS server if you don't want to check that DNS server. Click this button and you can remove this. Now it has been removed from the list. It's not in the list. Now click Run Benchmark button and wait for benchmark to be completed. When the benchmark is running, the performance and apparent reliability of the system DNS name server plus all the working name servers on the benchmark's built-in list are compared with each other. Results are continuously displayed and updated while the benchmark is running, with a dynamically sorted and scaled bar chart and a tabular chart display showing the cached, uncached, and .com DNS lookup performance of each name server. These values are determined by carefully querying each name server for the IP address of the top 50 most popular domain names on the internet and also by querying for non-existent domains. While the benchmark is running, I will tell you what is cached, uncached, and .com DNS lookup. Cached lookups, the time to return a domain name that is already in the reserver's name cache. Uncached lookups, the time to return a subdomain name that is not already in the reserver's name cache. .com lookups, the time to consult the name servers chosen .com reservers for a .com name. You can see a name, owner, status, and response time of each DNS name server. Please wait for the process to be completed. The process is completed. Once the benchmark finishes, click Tabular Data tab. So these are the final benchmark results sorted by name server performance from fastest to slowest. So in my case, DNS server provided by my ISP is fastest, and then the DNS server provided by Quite9 9.9.9.9 is in the second number. Final benchmark result. So no need to change the DNS server in my case, but it may be different for your case. Now click Conclusion tab. The results are heuristically and statistically analyzed to present a comprehensive summary of all important findings, conclusions, and recommendations.